What can you expect from a man in 2025?
Whoa.
What do you need to look for, ladies?
Oh.
We have a special video that is very important. If you don't receive this from a man, that means that he doesn't love you.
Dump him. Dump him.
Mr. Ray, we want to see this video, please. Because Mr. Jeff Bezos reportedly buying Vogue, the magazine, as a wedding gift for Lauren Sanchez.
He bought his new wife Vogue.
That's normal, right?
The company.
The company, yeah.
Not just the magazine. The company.
Not just one page in the magazine.
Yeah, not a Chanel purse, not a clothing line. The company Vogue.
No, and ladies, this is what you need to look for in a man. What do you think, Coach Andrés, of this
Love
video?
bomber. No, I mean, that is the most ridiculous, thoughtful, amazing, overly whelmed gift I've ever thought of.
Yeah.
This is for a woman, to give her Vogue.
Yeah. You know, I want to also talk about another video that I've seen. It's a woman that was in Dubai. She says, like, I'm in Dubai. I was going to the gym. A gentleman came to me. We talked for 2 minutes. I stepped outside of the gym and I see like someone is coming with roses, like full, like 100 roses.
Yeah.
And then 10 minutes later, I was still in the mall and then someone came and delivered like a nice, I think it was a Chanel bag or Hermes or whatever. Ladies, this is social media.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that this is not what's happening in real life.
No.
And someone that has good intention as a man, don't do that.
No.
We don't do that because that's way too much. He doesn't even know your name. So Jeff Bezos, I know it's like he has tons of money. He can do whatever he wants.
Understatement.
But don't stay focused on this to judge a man.
I agree. I mean, again, he's just a whole different example of what he's doing, which it's hilarious and I'm happy for him. All right. Because, they seem like they're in love, which is great. But to your other video, which a lot of times clients talk about or at least pay attention to, is this level of attention and glamorous gift giving as a way of someone saying they care about you and love you. That's not what it means if it's in the very beginning, especially these days. Those scenes that you see, like you mentioned, you described it very well.
Yeah.
That's scripted in some form. They know they're going to get views and they're trying to set up things to get up attention.
Yeah.
So everything that you see online that gets a lot of viewership is always trolled to a point where I want to get your attention and I will make things manipulative or change or alter or title certain things to get your attention.
Mm-hmm.
You can't believe everything you see. And I always see this new trend on TikTok. I needed a hug, but decided to go on a private jet instead.
Yeah.
I needed a hug, but then decided to go shopping. They're pushing the wrong message. And I know it's funny and I know it's somewhat maybe kind of creative in a way, but it's pushing the wrong idea. And so that video that you talked about is these men, and women could do it too in their own way, when they buy you these extravagant things in the very beginning, that's trying to say, I'm going to buy your attention.
Yeah.
Don't question my words. Don't question my trust. Don't question my loyalty. Don't question my character. I have you now. And so that's what they're doing. They're making a deal, almost like a deal with the devil, because they're saying, I want you to pay attention and be overwhelmed and so floored by my gifts that you can't question anything I do.
Yeah, but what's sad now is that I have clients, they come to me and they say, Alex, this is what I want. And I'm like, no, this is not what you want.
Yeah.
So we live in a society right now where we receive, as you mentioned, they receive the wrong message. So it's not because a man will do a lot of efforts that it means that he's a good man long term.
Yeah.
And so that's why I wanted to show this video. It was quite a funny video, but at the end of the day, it's the same. We go on social media and we feel our life is shit. When I look at this, I'm like, my marriage was shit. No, my marriage was great. It was amazing. Yeah. But we live in where we compare ourselves to people.
Yes.
We always find that we are not good enough. And if you look at social media, ladies, you would have so many women and you would feel that their relationship is better. You would feel that they are right. And at the end of the day, you'll realize that either there is a lot of breakups, they are just sad, there is this unfortunately like lonely situation where they are depressed and burnout, etc. So you cannot value a man only based on how much money he will spend on you. I think that's delusional to me. That's the new generation, but that's why they need love coach to change this dynamic.
Well, let me ask you this trend, in your opinion, princess treatment. I'm seeing it more and more everywhere on profiles, on clients' profiles I manage. I'm seeing it online. Do you see it? Do you know what's your take on it?
Yeah, I've seen some videos. for me, I think that's not love.
No.
The princess treatment, it's, I don't know how to say it. It's kind of like, it's fake. It's not something that would be sustainable.
Yeah.
If you ask me, I will tell you, my wife, she has the princess treatment because we have a nice house, because we have 2 kids, because we have a life that we come from, we come from parents that didn't have much, and we built something together. This is the princess treatment, in my opinion. This is the best princess treatment because we are building something that will last.
Yeah.
But buying gifts and opening doors, and I was watching a woman that's like a love coach saying like, oh, I want a man that open the doors and take my chair. I'm not sure I did it for my wife. That doesn't mean that I'm not giving her the princess treatment.
Yeah.
Because I can take the chair and tell you that, oh, you gain weight.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? We can do like good and bad things. That's how toxic people behave.
Yeah.
It's like always good, bad, good, bad. So they mess up with your subconscious mind.
Yeah.
And you think that you get the princess treatment, but you only get shit.
Yes.
Honestly.
Well, when you're looking for that title, when you're looking for that attention, and you're kind of putting this facade of princess treatment, you're really truly representing a version of yourself that's shallow.
Yeah.
And so a prince wants a princess, a king wants a queen, and they know how to treat them the right way, respectfully. But that's not spoil them rotten and choose someone ungrateful or attract someone who's going to take advantage of you. A good man like yourself knows that when you find a good woman, you're going to treat her like a princess queen because of what you got to know compared to her demand or her, at least her entitlement from the beginning, thinking. And again, I'm seeing this because it's becoming too much of a statement on people's profiles on dating apps or people's comments on messages on videos. And I'm like, you're expecting that and you're not even like princess material. You know what I mean? And I'm not saying it based on looks and beauty and elegance. I'm just saying, where are you in life? Just because you're beautiful or just because you look good in a dress, I look at it's a very shallow perception of what you think you deserve, not saying you don't deserve it. And you're only going to attract the love bomber who's going to basically love bomb you and buy you all these big gifts quickly, not Vogue, you know what I mean? Flowers, like you said, all that glam, and then do what afterwards?
Yeah, I think that now we are leaning towards, when I hear princess treatment, we are leaning towards transactional relationship. I don't care who you are.
Well said.
I don't care who you are. I don't care what you do. Just give me the gift. Give me the princess treatment.
It's a formal prostitution.
I feel so.
Formal, like call service.
Yeah, because it's kind of like, it's a transactional relationship. And if you're looking for this and it's what you want, I'm okay with it. But the problem is that there is a lot of women that are now seeking this princess treatment. Yeah. And they're just going from asshole to asshole to asshole. So be careful, ladies, and just seek help with a real love and relationship expert.
Well said. Princess treatment sounds like a transactional relationship.
So, you know what? I think it's time for you ladies to go grab the free assessment with Coach Andrés. Go with coachingwithandres.com. You can come to my website, French Relationship Expert. We work together for years. But before you leave, hit the like button, subscribe. So talk to what is inside the free assessment. What can they get with you?
Well, you're going to get an awesome questionnaire that's very well rounded towards your life and your relationship goals. And then we're going to get started as soon as possible with a personal assessment that's going to be based on your wellness, relationship, and business. So again, relationship and life coaching of a questionnaire, then going into a personal assessment. And then we look into the long term of coaching through, let's say, reading assignments, dating app material, dating app management, text coaching, email coaching, a variety of products. Again, what I'm here to do is a one-stop shop coach of nutrition, fitness, life coaching, relationship coaching, dating app development. You're going to get so many services with my help by that. Check out coachingwithandres.com. Email me or text me, Coach Podcast, and you get a free consultation.
Thank you, Coach Andrés. Appreciate it. Ladies, let's jump on this free assessment and we will see you very soon.
Take care.
Take care.